Oops, wrong way. Welcome to Daisy's Kitchen, where I show you how to use stuff in the kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to use a can opener, like a mechanic one. Not those ones that you use your hand manually. I don't know how to work those ones. So, I'm going to just use this mechanical thing. So, I got my Chef Boyardee beefaroni. I can't really like scoot it closer because it has like this itty bitty tail. So, first you stick it. Money wasn't listening, and like technically she opened this already, but okay. So you stick it up there and press this button, and like locks. See, it says locked. Do you see that? I'll bring the camera closer. Locked. So, oh my gosh. Okay, now like that one. Oh gosh. Okay. Ow. Like this. Just hold it like that. Okay. So now this is you hold it and you like press, and it will spin in a circle without any hands. Magic, right? So then you open it, and then you take your can. Be very careful. It's sharp, and then bam, it's open. Thank you.
And then open.
Did it? Yeah. So, yeah. Thank you for joining Daisy's Kitchen. And I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye.